discuss on depreciation program. So we yesterday we acquired asset. So today we'll continue with the depreciation for the asset. So fixed assets, and here under posting you can see periodic processing, depreciation run. So depreciation run execute. So here we can run depreciation program if you want to specify one accounting principle. Yes, that is possible, but usually generally we post for the both accounting principles. So we want to run for the first accounting period for this asset, right? So we'll provide the asset, we'll give the asset here, and you can mention detail log, so it gives the details asset. Now I want to know, we'll see. This is your asset. So 10, click on execute. We are in the test run mode. We are in the test run mode. So system gives this message interval 03 subobject AM01 to 2025 does not exist. What is this one? 03 is belongs to anyone? OB A7 position. Yes, AF. So depreciation, put double click here. So 03. System is throwing error 03 for this program. I mean for this document type. So basically system is not able to find out number range 03. So we don't have 03. That's the reason system is expecting number range 03 2025. And what is the 1001? Can I give 1001 to 1100? Press enter. Save. Click on continue. Come back to the depreciation run program. Press enter again. Click on yes. So system is executing the program. So but I still see some errors here, right? So it is showing in the see fixed asset with errors, fixed asset with errors. Why I'm getting two? Because we have two accounting principles. So let us understand from here message log. So system says KTNAFB, KTANFB. It's giving two times because we have two accounting principles, KTNAFB. What is KTNFB? Slash ORFA asset accounting. Here you can just open integration with the GL accounting, assign GL accounts. This is your CDAM, right? CDAM, and you can yep, account determination, and here CDFF. Is that correct? Yes, CDFF. Select your account determination. Click on balance sheet accounts. This one, double click here. So now since we are posting depreciation, so it should be belongs to depreciation, right? Not the balance sheet accounts. So double click here for the first accounting principle, and accumulated depreciation account and expense account for depreciation. So this is your depreciation, this is your accumulated depreciation. So when you are posting depreciation, your debit will be depreciation, credit will be accumulated depreciation. That's the accounting entry. So let us see KTNAFG. KTNAFG, is that the one? KTNAFG, no, it is AFB. So what is AFB here? Come back to the transaction. So we had checked this one. Let us check this one. So this is the one. So system is expecting one GL account for accumulated depreciation account for ordinary depreciation. So let us create one depreciation account here. I mean accumulated depreciation account. Go to the FS00 slash O or slash N FS00, and you can give accumulated depreciation comes under liabilities. So I want to give the next number 2004. So here this is our company code only. Balance sheet, current liabilities. Okay, I mean basically under liabilities. This one I want to create it as accumulated depreciation furniture and fittings. Copy, paste it here. Control data. This is also reconciliation account type for assets. Scroll down. Can you give here 18, which is asset number. So this is G067. Press enter. Click on save. If you want to see the values, you can see reconciliation accounts, control data, asset number, reconciliation account type for assets, and type description. You have to create this GL account under liabilities under balance sheet with your description. So 2004. Come back here, 2004. Okay, and also I need to give, this is for depreciation first for the first accounting principle. Go to the next accounting principle, give the same account number here, place, click on save, continue, continue. This is not ours, it's okay. Come back to the program again, click on execute, yes, click on yes. So here again I see errors. So go back to the error mode. So now it is showing as KTNAFG. Now it is showing expense account for ordinary depreciation. You can see the description, expense account for ordinary depreciation. Go back to the configuration. So this system is expecting here expense account for ordinary depreciation. So it should be the same. Again, technical description if you want to see KTNF, this is what we are getting the message at the time of posting. So system is expecting one depreciation account, expense account. Okay. So go back to the your GL master expense account. So I'll take it as 3004, 3004. Continue. Here you can just give it's up to the business decision, but usually it will be primary expenses. Here this is depreciation for F and F, which is furniture and fittings. Depreciation. This is wrong. Okay, now it's a control C, control V. If you want to mention, you can mention with the full name. So come back to the control data. So system expects cost money category, which is 1. Create bank interest, it is G004 since it is a expense account. Click on save. I'll repeat the parameters since it is a depreciation expense account. So you have to give relevant account type and account group. Come back to the control data and we had given primary cost reducing revenues and cost account related field status group. And this is 3004. Go back to the account determination where we assign the GL accounts. So what was the GL account? 3004. 3004. This is third for the accounting principles. Go back. You have first accounting principle 3004. Click on save. Save it. Okay. Now come back to the program. Let us execute this program. Continue. Back. Execute. So execute. Still I'm getting errors. Even I don't know why I'm getting errors this many. Okay. So now system says that 3004 requires an account assignment to relevant to cost accounting. No document number found for entry B for document type AF ledger AI. So for another accounting principle, system is expecting number range for AF, another accounting principle AI. Okay, AF. So what we should do? Just continue from here. AF, AI. Continue here. Execute it. This is for the AI accounting principle, and system is expecting AF, and this will give the same number range. Click on save. So you can change your company, you can change the description here if you want. Amazon group, continue. Okay, this is done. Come back. So I'm just executing from the error mode itself. Okay, continue. So let us come back since we defined. Click on execute. Continue. Click on. Okay, this is fine, but this is getting error. Why? So let us understand. So system is giving 3004 requires an assignment account assignment related to cost accounting. Okay. So since depreciation GL account is a expense account, system is expecting one cost center 3004. But why? Because we already maintained, right? You have not defined a CO cost account for the account that is so account 3000 is defined as a cost meant. This means that you must always CO account assignment. So we'll try to go to the slash O. So we have this right here itself. So okay. So we assign for the both accounting principles. No issue here. Go back to the cost account assignment under the integration with the GL accounting. Additional account assignment objects activated. This is fine. Specify account assignment types for account assignment objects. Let us see position. Company code is AM01. Select your company code. Click on depreciation area. Select your first one. Click here. So we have not defined your account assignment objects. So what we should define here, new entries, you have to select your cost center here. So select your cost center and this one also transaction type. It just gives transaction to star because it has to be applicable for all the different asset transactions. Okay. And you can give this one as well. APC values. Of course, we are executing depreciation now. So it's fine. But let us give depreciation. Click on account assignment. Click on save. So as of now, we had given account assignment for the cost center for the depreciation run only. If you are facing some other issues, then we can come to this transaction. We'll assign it accordingly. Come back. So you have to do it this exercise. You have to do it for all depreciation areas. So just copy paste it. Third one, it's a repetitive exercise. Select your account assignment object star. This is your depreciation run. This is fine. Again come back. Fourth one, double click on account assignment objects, new entries. This is also for cost center, depreciation run, account assignment. Click on save. So basically we have sent cost center for all depreciation areas. So system automatic account assignment system will consider your cost center as an account assignment for the expenses account. Go back to this program again, scroll back, click on execute. Let us see what are the errors you'll see now. Now we are happy that we can see both accounting principles showing in the green mode. There are no errors now. So can someone tell me what are the errors we faced? Anyone? What are the different errors we faced executing while executing the depreciation program? Anyone? Depreciation number ranges. Okay, depreciation number ranges for AF document type, and also we had seen A1, I mean for accounting principle also we had seen. Okay, and account for the account assessment for cost center. మన cost center assign చేసాం అక్కడ ఇప్పుడు ఇందాక configuration లో. At the same time also we assigned a depreciation GL account. Okay, depreciation GL account and accumulated depreciation account we created and assigned accordingly. Fine. In configuration settings. Is that clear? So these are the different transaction errors we have faced. Come back now. So while executing in the production mode, execute, we can't do that one because this depreciation program will be executed for all the assets. Okay. In the background mode, if you look at here, asset selections only allowed in test run. So I have to remove this selection screen. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll remove this one. Now again execute in the foreground, system will not accept saying that the processing can only be carried out in the background processing. So what we should do, go to the program, click on execute in the background, LP01, and you can continue, click on continue again, click on immediate, click on save. So some background job has been scheduled with this name, system, services, jobs, job overview. Either you can see SM37 or job overview transaction, both are same. So you can go via transaction code SM37 or you can go via path, job overview. You can see the transaction code here, SM37. So just execute it. So see here, this FAA depreciation post has been scheduled and completed, finished successfully. Here we can see the spool. Double click here, click on spool. You can click on spool again. See this, see that is, you can see the. So why we are getting two items? Why? Yes. So we have two different accounting principles. That's the reason system is updating in two accounting principles. Okay. So this is your updated run. If you go back to the report, our asset report, this is not refreshed. Let us refresh the asset report, asset values report, asset explorer. This is AW01 in transaction code. Come back to the posted values. Again, this is your posted for the first period. Now we can execute the depreciation program for the second period. This will get updated in the green mode. You can go back again if you want to execute one more time. If you want to see the transaction, I'll repeat it once again. Depreciation program. So this is for the second period. Okay, I'll remove this one. Program, execute in the background. Click on LP01, continue, continue, immediate. If you want to check and click on save, no worries. So again, so go back to the our program itself because it will get definitely, I'm pretty sure that will get executed. Click on refresh. So go back to the posted values we executed for the next period. Is that clear, guys? The depreciation program, how it is working? Now, if you want to see the accounting entries /o FB03, go to the document list, just remove this ledger so that we can see in the both ledgers. So anyhow, it is document if CF, let it be, and just enter entry date so that we'll get whatever the postings we have done for this company code, it will come. Click on execute. So system posted four documents. Why four documents? Because two accounting principles, right? So let us understand what is 103. So 103 is so your depreciation, this is your depreciation debited, this is depreciation will get debited. What is 2004? This is your accumulated depreciation. Okay, so debited and credited. Come back. This is not showing anything else, no ledgers. So it is updated under AI, which is another accounting principle. Let us see 104. This is also AI. This is got updated depreciation, depreciation furniture, and this is also accumulated depreciation. Okay, and you can observe the values, asset value, date, and everything. It's getting updated. Okay, because we executed two times, 103 and 104, because we executed two times for the first period, for the April period, and for the May period. You can see the dates here. You can see the dates 31/5, second period. This is, you can see the dates, the difference. What is 1001? System will show in another accounting principle for this one. Why this is not working? Okay, 1004, this is for the first period. This is also updating for leading ledger. So basically, so we executed two times, so system is updating. We executed depreciation program two times, so it's updating two times for the two accounting principles. Any doubts, guys? Any doubt, query, concern? So if you deduct these two, then this will, your ordinary depreciation has been deducted from 5 lakhs, and your as on today, your net book value, not as on today, but after second period, your net book value is 4,91,643. Now your asset value is 4,91,643. Just imagine if you are like selling it out, this asset. If you want to sell this asset, it's part of your retirement process. If you are giving more than 4,91,000, definitely will be profit, right? If I sell more than this value, 4,91,643.84, I will get profit. If I sell this asset less than this value, I will get loss. Do you agree? Yes, no, no response. Why yes? Why yes, sir? Tell me. So, so we purchased asset, we already depreciated for 2 months. So we used this asset for the 2 months. After utilizing it, the asset value came down to 4,91,643. Now, if I sell this asset more than this value, then definitely I'll get value. It's again. If I'm selling this asset less than this value, I'll get loss. Let us understand the retirement process now. Go back to the, so this is, we are in the third period. Okay, April, May, June. So just imagine in the third period itself, I'm just selling it out. Go back to the accounting, financial accounting, fixed assets, posting. Now we have this retirement. Okay, retirement with revenue F-92 with customer. This is with customer. Okay, now just imagine, so in the month of June, right? 01/06/2025. I want to sell this asset on June 1st because April, May we already reduced the description. See, depreciation. Sorry for that. We already calculated depreciation for the April and May month. So reference, um, yep, is it asset sales? Basically, you are doing retirement here. This also you can copy and paste it here. Now here, what I'll do, customer. This is 01 is customer. Now we have to select customer master because we are selling with reference to customer. Press enter. Click on Srinivas. Press enter. Press enter. So he can give here. What is your asset value, sir? If you want to see the gain, we'll select. We'll give something 4,93,000. 4,93,000. So definitely I should get profit here. Text asset sales. Your payment terms 3001. Press enter. Press enter. So system will expect definitely your 50. So this is your 50. Okay. Asset sales. I want to select asset sales account here. So we are doing sales, right? So system will expect one GL account, asset sales. We don't have any asset sales account. We have general sales account. Let us select asset sales slash O FS 00. I close the FS transaction and so asset sales comes under income account, right? Well, let us see what happens. 4,004 GL account type. It comes under revenues. Just imagine that it is a revenue posting and it comes under income. So this one asset sales, copy, control C, control V, control data, just give as a cosmic category as 11, which is revenues. Here also we have one transaction code called G0 accounts for fixed asset retirement. We have separate field status group. Click here, click on save. Okay, now 4004. So what are the parameters I had given? I treated as revenue, had given under income range, control data, I had given as revenues, here bank interest, and G052 accounts for fixed asset retirement. But system, we'll see how system will react. So press enter again. So system is expecting GL account. So did we get that? Yes, 4004. Press enter. Here I want to give the same as 493, give the text as asset sales, since we created this one as a cost element. So system expects some account assignment. So give your relevant item, click on asset retirement. Yes, I want to retire the asset, but which asset? Now system is asking which asset you want to retire. So I want to retire we have only one asset. Select that asset here. This is your AM01 asset value date. Yes, I want to give 01/06/2025 complete retirement. Click on continue. So system says account object profit center differs from that in asset master record. So system is giving again some error message. Why? Because asset sales is linked to the field status group G052. So go back to the field status group /O OBC4. Go to the G. So what is our field status group? Field status variant for Amazon. Is that correct, guys? Yes, that's correct. Select your, click on groups, position G052, select, double click here itself, go to the asset accounting, no additional accounts, and just make sure that give as cost center as optional, business areas an optional, and what you should do, profit center as suppress. So it is optional. Click on save, continue. So here, while while posting the transaction, right here we are getting this error, press enter. Press enter, fill out the record fields, press enter again. So this is already updated. So continue. So system is expecting to restart this transaction. There is no other option. Or else we'll try 50. So asset sales is 4004, press enter. Enter the 493. Some asset sales here, cost center, asset retirement, press enter. This is fine. We entered all the details. So I'm getting the same message. So what we should do, cancel this one, try again, reprocess the transaction. Since the program we have done some changes, so system is not catching the changes here. Customer, presenter, is it it is, yep. Thank you so much, sir. So you're the person, you are what do you say, observing carefully, yeah. So okay, double click here, fixed asset retirement, additional account assignments. So guys, please concentrate. Sometimes I may do the mistake, right? Cost center, here business area. What is the next one? Profit center. Click on save. So nice catch, Nagaraj. Thank you so much on that. So let us exit again because system won't cache the transaction. I am selling this asset to the customer. Let us see now. So here 9,000 customer, presenter. So 493. So you can select your asset sales as a description, payment terms you can give, and this is your 50 asset sales account, which is 4004, presenter, presenter, presenter. So I'm selling it out for 4,93,000. You can just give the asset sales, give your cost center, click on asset retirement, press enter. So you can mention your asset number here, and you can give the asset value date and complete retirement, continue. Now I don't see any errors, but click on simulate. Again you are getting some errors, Nagaraju. What we need to do, Nagaraju, now? We should assign GL account. So system is expecting clearing account revenue from asset KTERLW. Go to the again where we have those things here. I don't see. Okay, let me go to the /O. AO90 is your shortcut key. Okay, for assigning the GL accounts. AO90. I think I have entered 0 instead of AO. Why this is not coming? AO90. So it's coming. Select your chart of accounts, click on account determination. We created account determination as a CDFF. Select your account determination CDFF, click on balance sheet. No, we'll see where exactly it is. So here it is there. So it is coming under balance sheet accounts, retirement account assignment. So system is expecting which accounts are clearing account revenue from assets, clearing account from revenue from assets. So system is expecting clearing account revenue from asset sale. So system is expecting here. So what we should do here? So we don't have an account here. So what we'll do? We'll create one account, clearing account revenue from asset sale. So it's a part of balance sheet account. We'll try to create balance sheet. We'll see if it is throwing an error. FS00. So it is coming under balance sheet assets. Create. What is your next number? 1006. Press enter. Continue. Balance sheet. This one I want to treat as asset. So just copy the description from the here. Clearing account. Clearing account. Control C. We'll go to the GL master. Press enter. So this is C. So I'll remove this one. I'll put it as C here. This is also C. Clearing account revenue from asset sale. It's a balance sheet account here. But system will throw error. I'll tell you why. So this balance sheet balances a local currency and the sort key and create bank interest. Click your normal G001. Save it. So 1006. Come back to the configuration. Enter 1006 here. Okay. So this is for first accounting principle. Here also enter for the second accounting principle. Click on save. So see here, just read the description. So account AC0 1006 not allowed to be the balance sheet account. So system is expecting this GL account should be treated as PL account. Understood, sir? So this account, whatever the GL account we created now, this account should be PL account, not balance sheet. Okay. So what I'll do, I will mark it as a delete option. I don't want to use this GL account. Click it. We'll create it under expenses. So SAP mentioned it clearly. Create this GL account as PL account 1006. So 1006. Go back to the. So this is asset sale, right? So something related to revenue kind. It's already mentioned as revenue. What I'll do, I'll create it here and we'll copy the same thing. Copy 4005. Press enter. So instead of mentioning this one, I'll consider clearing account revenue. Clearing account revenue from sale. But we don't know as of now, right? So this one you can treat it as non-operating. We don't know. Control data. Here you can just give your sort key 18, create bank interest. This is normal one only. G001. Save it. Now SAP mentioned to create it under PL. So I'm creating under PL only 4005. Now go back to the transaction. Cancel this one. Go back. So you can change this to 4005. And this is your another accounting principle. And this also you can change to 4005. Press enter. Now click on save. We'll see if you get any errors. No. Now I'm not seeing any errors. So just make sure that whenever you try to create this account, whenever you see this error, just make sure you have to create it under PL. But this is showing under balance sheet, but system is throwing error, right? So just remember, clearing account revenue from asset sale should be always PL account. Okay. We'll come back to the transaction again. Press enter. Not sure. System may ask me to reprocess the transaction, but we'll see. So I'm getting now it is showing, now it is throwing gain from asset sale. So KTMERHR gain from asset sale. Go back here. See, we have these options gain and loss. So if you are seeing any loss, then you have to assign loss account. If you are seeing gain, then you should assign gain account. Now we need to assign gain account. The earlier one was clearing account, not the original gain or loss account. So we'll go back to the GL master. Now I want to create it as asset sales. Copy again. 4006th GL account. 6. Continue. I want to treat this account as a revenue, primary revenue, and this comes under here. This one I want to put it as gain on asset sales. Control C, Control V. Control data, click on this is fine. Everything is same. Now this one you can change to G001, or or we have one more thing, revenue accounts, right? So we can give the revenue accounts. G029 is your revenue accounts. You see your revenue. Click on save. Continue. Okay, 4006. Come back to the accounting determination. 4006. So this is your first accounting principle. Here also 4006. Press enter. Save it. Continue. I don't see any errors now. Come back to the accounting transaction. Press enter. Now again document. Click on simulate. Loss from asset sale. Why we are getting loss? It should be profit, right? Why I'm getting loss here? I'm confused. We should not get loss. We'll see. We'll see the postings. Let us create it. Why I'm getting loss? We'll see how system is behaving. Okay, I'll copy this one. 7. This is loss on asset sale. Loss on asset sale. So let it be as it is. Click on save. Basically, it's a loss. Very good, sir. Expenses. Okay, then this also we have done something wrong. Cancel. No. So loss. So this, okay, I'll put it in the. So we created under income. So what we'll do? Block this one also. Mark for deletion, mark for deletion. Click on save. So it should be under expenses. Create one loss account. So what is your next account? 3005. Press enter. Select your loss. Primary loss it is expenses. Loss on asset sale. Loss on asset sales. Control data. Now you can see here, if you want, you can put it as one. Create bank interest. This is G004, which is cost relevant accounts. Save it. Fine. Now 3005. Let's go back to the 3005. This is your third accounting principle. Come back. This also 3005. Continue. Continue. Let's see how system is behaving here. Come back here. Press enter. So I'm expecting gain actually because we had given more value, but system is giving something wrong value here. So this is fine. Sundry debtors to this is your customer to sales. This is fine. We had given 4,93,000. These two line items are fine. No problem. Document, click on simulate asset accounting. So here, okay, basically system is giving correct only, I think. So now we'll understand. Customer to sales, right? This is customer account, which is your reconciliation account. 1003 is your customer reconciliation account. Go back to the GL master. 1003 we created under here sundry debtors. This is your customer reconciliation account. So where is the entry? I'll just close all the. Okay, I think I have closed slash. Okay, this also slash o fs00. Let us keep this transaction GL master assets 1003. This is your customer master. Come back to the this transaction. This is clear. What is 5 lakhs? 1005. 1005 is your main asset, furniture fitting asset display. furniture fitting. So at the time of acquisition, how much value that we purchased? 5 lakhs. It's updating 5 lakhs. At that time it is debited, now it is getting credited. At the time of asset acquisition, we debited asset, now it's getting credited. At the time of retirement, at the time of sales, asset sales. Okay, now asset sales, this is your at the time of posting. Okay, normal posting. Customer and we credited asset sales, right? 4,93,000. This is fine. Debit and credited. This is fine. So system automatically populated this 1005 account and 2004 account also populated automatically. What is 2004? Your liabilities, your accumulated depreciation. So earlier accumulated depreciation we credited, now it is got debited. See here, debited because we executed for 2 months. Your asset executed for 2 months. Your asset depreciation slash O AS03. Click on asset values. See here, go to the posted values for the 2 periods. It is 8356. 8356.56. It has been deducted that amount 83 cent. So the remaining balance is 1356 is your gain. This is anyhow this coming the system is updating your 4 lakh because it has to adjust your debit credit balances 4,93,000. It is updating your clearing account with revenue. Basically it's at the same amount what we at the time of sales entry, it's showing the same thing here. Guys, any questions? This is perfectly updating with 1356. So come back to this transaction. Acha, we already maintained. Okay. So it is just so what is your net book value, sir? 491,643. Calculator. We'll see if it is calculating correctly. 491,643.84 minus what is your asset sales value? 4,93,000. 1356 is that right amount at the time of sales entry? Yes, that is perfect. No change. I mean, coming exactly with the decimal value. Any questions on this transaction at the time of retirement? So system automatically posting all these GL accounts except 1003 and 4004. All other entries are coming automatically. Can I go ahead and post the entry? Any questions? Is that clear? Come back, click on document, click on post. So account 3005 requires an account assignment related to cost accounting. What is 3005, sir? 3005 is your loss and asset sale. It's expecting cost center here. Okay. So, but we already given cost center. So go back to the, but it is not asking on the gain then. It is asking on the loss. So let us try the configuration slash O ORFA GL accounting ascend GL no this one additional account assignment objects. So specify account assignment types for account assignment objects. So position AM01 we already have it here itself. Okay, select here depreciation run, click your depreciation area. So we had given at the time of depreciation run and cost center. So click on new entries, we'll see what else we have. Anyhow, this will be cost center only. So system is expecting one cost center object. So what I'll do, I'll but the thing is we already given as okay. So system is might expecting reversal entry of APC values. Okay, we had given star, right? So it has to be applicable for all transactions. The only thing we had not given is this option, APC values option. Let us try that one. Cost center here. This is anyhow I'd given already. Here I want to give APC values. Click on assignment. Come back. Okay, come back here. Click on second depreciation area. New entries. So here also cost still. This is again star. Here also APC values. Click on account assignment. Come back. Come back here. Third one. Click on account assignment. New entries. Costal. This is fine again star mark. This is for the APC values. Click on account assignment. Come back. Let us update for the fourth depreciation area. New entries. Click on costal star APC values. Click on account assignment. Click on save. So if at all if it is not resolving, we have another option. I'll tell you how to do that. So press enter again. Document simulate. No issues. So let us click on post. Yep. So our understanding is correct. So system is expecting here as APC values also, because the other value we already entered depreciation run. Because why it is expecting APC acquisition product and cost, but we are reversing the acquisition value 5 lakhs value, and also we are reversing your accumulated depreciation value. So that's the reason system is expecting cost center for that particular entry, retirement entry also. Now we are facing another error. What is another error, sir? So system is expecting customer invoice document type DR for the next accounting ledger. Go back to the number ranges. Click here. Define document types in a working ledger. Click. So this is your AI presenter. So system is giving dump now. This is not our issue, sir. This is ABAP dump. Someone might did something. Not sure. But we'll go via path slash o spro. Can anyone tell me what is the path for the document types? Financial accounting, global settings, document, and here we have document types. Under this document types for the ledger, specific ledger. AI continue. So I want to create DR transaction, and we'll give the same number range for the DR also. Save it, continue. Now come back to the, so we lost that error, right? So again dash 92, we'll consider the same date, continue reference asset sales, position, give your customer value, presenter, now presenter, okay, now I'll give 4,93,000, presenter. So here payment terms, here this is your asset sales, posting is your 50 asset sales account, here 4,004, press enter, press enter, press enter. So three times, 4,93,000, cost center, text, asset sales, click on asset retirement, press enter. So you should get this check box, which asset you want to sell out. So here value, complete retirement, continue. So click on document, click on simulate. So click on post. So at last we posted a retirement entry. Display. So this is your, it's showing in the entry mode, entry view. Now click on GL view. It gives the different ledgers. Click on other ledger. So it gives the AI as well. Okay, come back. Now click, okay, document, display. Now you can see your asset accounting. Click on asset accounting. Now you can see all the line items. What are the document line items we posted now? System will populate all other line items. This is only two line items we posted, but system updated in these three line items automatically. Is that clear, guys? So come back to the main asset master transaction and values here. So what it will system will do? System will close everything here. Execute here. System in the asset values, you can see system is saying that retirement has been done for this asset. Posted values. So this also will clear everything. So this is fine. Okay. So system mentioned very clearly for 4,93,000 we retired the asset and the depreciation has been deducted. Okay. And the remaining gain is 1356.16. So if you want to see the master data, go back to the master data. Now under general tab, you can see if you scroll down, so this will get deactivated. So there will be no further transactions for this asset because since we already sold out. Any questions? Why? Team is very silent.